Welcome, Panda Nation. I'm your host, Panda Photographer. I am a self-taught photographer and travels quite a bit. I do consulting for other agencies, and on this channel, we teach photography, videography, and tutorials. Tech-related tips as well. So please do subscribe, like, and share if you guys want support to keep the lights on here. There is a PayPal donation link, and there are also Amazon affiliate links that you also can click on to buy the items that I have in the video content in the descriptions below. So let's talk about audio for a second here, because I've been trying my best to tweak out OBS with my Zoom H4N Pro. Now, this video is not sponsored by Zoom. This video is sponsored by me. So originally I have the H4N Pro, the H4N originally back in 2012. I upgraded about 3.5 years ago to the H4N Pro, which has a lot more features, a lot more presets, filters, but I use this mostly as a audio interface device. Now, for YouTube content, ladies and gentlemen, right now I have my record volume down at 50. I also have the master mixer volume down by -12. But when I add filters in OBS, the only thing I did was add a noise suppression, which is at -13 dB, and a gain to +5. And that's all I did. This is what you're hearing right now. So, and the reason why I'm also recording in 48 instead of 44.1 is because I also use other XLR devices like microphones, etc., to also record audio. So this is why I made an investment to buy an audio interface device. You don't have to buy this one particularly, but if you want an all-around audio interface device that's going to give you all the bang for your buck, a H4N Pro for $200. If you want a bundle, $259 with the deck cat and everything, the controller, that's a good deal because this thing will last you a very, very long time. So with that said, everyone, I am a self-taught photographer and I'm self-taught myself how to fix audio too. So, but I read, I do my research, and I practice. So it's important that you guys do the same thing. As YouTubers, as content creators, as podcasters, please, as the panel photographer to you and I, this is important. Audio makes up 50% of your audience. Remember that. With that said, everyone, thank you for watching. Take the time out to please support the channel with the links down in the descriptions below, and we, and I, and the Panda Nation, will talk to you guys in the next video. So, eat, sleep, photography, videography, audio, and repeat. Peace.